All right, all right, all right. I have got another beautiful arrival here. This is a 2020 Sportsman 242 Open. This beautiful boat is 23 foot 8 inches long, not including the engine. She's got an 8 foot 6 inch draft, a big old 300 horsepower Yamaha engine. She carries 111 gallons of fuel. She got a 13 gallon freshwater tank, 25 gallon live well, and absolutely beautiful lines. She's 24 foot long, just under 24 foot long, and she's got a 16 inch draft. Nice through hole Winlass, Minn kota trolling motor. Just a beautiful boat. She's got that gray color that everybody wants right now, beautiful gray. The underside of the T-top's the same color. She's got a 3-step telescoping ladder, electro tab, trim tab, some underwater lights, and a big blade power pole. And you can see she's real easy to get into. Got a nice grab rail here. The pass-through is real easy. There's a divider that goes right there. I've got it here. Nice console. She's got Isinglass and a Laporte Products boat cover. It's the best boat cover in the market. Table leg, engine cover, cover for your electronics. She's got a bunch of extras. That's a bunch of money that you don't have to spend yourself. You getting me? That door goes right there. They didn't like it on there, so I understand. She's a 12-person boat. Got a little storage right there. This seat folds out, so you've got the fold-down transom seat. And then when the fishing starts, she gone. Knees on the transom. Let's reel in some fish. Big old live well, look like 28 gallons or something like that. That's what I'm guessing. She's got a Yeti pull-out cooler. Looks like 65 quart or something like that. Got a little tackle storage back here. 4 nice rocket launchers. You got 4 more rocket launchers on the T-top. You got your Kingfish rod holders as well. Nice cup holder. Got another cup holder back here. And then 2 rod holders starboard, 2 rod holders port. Rod storage, or room for your gaff hook and your brush, whatever you want it to be. She's got JL audio speakers. And I like this Sportsman because she's got 2 footrests here, one for the short and one for the tall. Nice seats, folding bolsters. The upholstery is in great shape. Tilt steering wheel. Trim tabs, Winlass, nice JL Audio Media Master 50. She's got 2 12-inch Garmins here. And I like these switches. They're high quality switches. Garmin VHF Radio. You got your little storage right here. Convenience lights. Got a little storage aft right here as well. Speakers in the T-top. Powder coating looks good. And then it's got that Isinglass, so you slide that Isinglass here and then snap it in here and you're out of the weather. If you happen to be out on a rainy day, no more rain in your face. This one's got the full bow upholstery package, and it's got the optional table. So this right here lifts out, table leg goes there, and then this becomes your table. Or you can take all the cushions out and then you've got bow casting platform. Or you can take these out and then she's fishable. You can see she's open all the way to the bow. So that way if you're fishing, you can get your knees to get something so that, that fish don't pull you in the water. Let's see what kind of trolling motor she's got here. 112 pound thrust, 36 volt with the iPilot. A recessed bow rail. removable backrests, cup holders, speakers, big old fish box, big fish box in deck. And then underneath these seats, as soon as I figure out how to get this thing open, huh? But you've got big fish boxes underneath here as well. 2 of them, 1, 2. And then our windlass locker is up here, so nice big windlass locker, easy to get to. You got your tow buttons here as well. That way, if you're trying to get this thing unstuck, it's a little easier just to kind of hit these buttons up and down with your toe. Nice T-top, 2-piece molded fiberglass. You've got a big cooler here right in the front of the console. Freshwater wash down fills here. Looks like we got a battery charger here. That's probably for my trolling motor batteries. And she's a beautiful boat. I can't say it enough. When something looks good, you got to give it a compliment. As I mentioned, she's got the Isinglass. This is a full boat cover, Laporte Products boat cover, table leg, engine cover, and then it's got a cover here for the console as well. So this guy here goes over here and keeps all your gadgets and gadgets from getting eaten by the Florida sun. Nice bolsters, beautiful seating. And if you do your research, this is a very desirable boat. I'm going to put it out at a very desirable price point. And I take trades. I've got financing. We'll get you on the water quick. I'm down here in the beautiful Florida Keys. And we've got the perfect water for any boat. Come get you a vacation. Trade in your old boat, get you a new boat. Start making new memories. 2020 Sportsman 242 open. Let's buy a boat.